It may seem like a little bit of a hassle to log into your account to get SocialBeam up and running. It goes by pretty fast, and honestly, once you're through it, is totally rewarding and worth it. So give it a shot. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes to get set up. To install SocialBeam, use the AE Scripts installer. There will be a link in the description below this video. Go ahead and drag it in here and install. You'll have to restart After Effects. Once you do, you can go to Window, Extensions, and you will find SocialBeam. Before you start using SocialBeam, you'll have to connect it to a Facebook and Dropbox account. Okay, I've logged into Facebook. I can go ahead and leave. Now I'm selecting which Facebook page. I only have one. Okay, I can go ahead and start rendering now. And we also have to sign into a Dropbox account. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now that we are signed into Dropbox, we can leave. We can now write a caption and click Publish, and it will be on Instagram. There it is. In order for SocialBeam to work, you'll also need an Instagram business account, and that will have to be connected to a Facebook business account as well. If you would like, you can go to the advanced tutorials and see how that's done. It's very straightforward. Thank you very much.